Lantana camara is one of the invasive and alien species, and one of its common name is the cherry pine, and it is also known as a red or wild sage. And the other name, common name for it is bed brandy. The plant Lantana camara, it basically looks like this. In fact, this is a picture of Lantana camara. It has got a very nice and good flowers. In fact, the main investigation is on the plant itself, the leaves of the plants, because ideally we want to use it as one of the biopesticides to control disease in crop production. We found a very interesting and good results. So one of our findings that the extracts, especially the water extract and acetone extract and ethyl acetate extracts from the leaves of Lantana camara, has got a potential to inhibit the post-harvest pathogen like the Fusarium species. Fusarium species are fungal pathogens which affect maize during production, either in the field and also during post-harvest storage. What they do, they cause spoilage of the seeds, and that will result into yield loss. The meaning of this is that regardless of the invasive nature of Lantana camara, we can utilize to control crop diseases plant diseases in crop production. So that means since there are no other uses for it, we are taking advantage to apply it in our crop production, either as extracts or also as isolated compound from the leaves of this invasive plant.